if I'm not mistaken. You have made over 200 seed. Imagine having 2 accounts. You have made 100. You have made 100 seed today, just like me. I've made 100 seed today. So by tomorrow, I'm going to get 60 seed from there. That is 60 seed in each account. That is 120 seed. Imagine doing this for up to 2 weeks. It's going to give you a very good amount of seed, even if you start mining seed today. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from this video. Go ahead and try your best to earn now that the time is limited, and this is a very good time to earn as much as good seed balance per account. So this is it. Try your best to also mint NFT and do other things that's going to make you eligible for the airdrop, so that you're not going to waste your time, your effort, and your energy mining just seed balance. So this is it. Once again, my name still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.